In today's yoga class, we will practice alternate nose breathing. Let's get some warming ups done. Find yourself in a nice, comfortable sitting position. Breathe in. Lift your hands up. Look up. Breathe out. Look down and hands to the sides. Breathe in. Lift your hands up. Bend your elbows. As you breathe out, turn your body to the right side. Breathe in. Bring your body back to center. And breathe out. Turn your body to the left side. Breathe in. Bring the hands up into the air. And breathe out. Slowly put your hands back down. Very nice, everyone. Now that we've warmed up our bodies, let's take a look how we can practice alternate nose breathing. First, let's bring out your right hand out like this. If you're more comfortable using your left hand, then use your left hand instead, okay? No problem. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril and your ring and pinky finger to close your left nostril like this. For your index and middle finger, you can place it on your forehead like this. So, have a look at and now close your right nostril. Breathe out with your left nostril. Breathe in with your left nostril. Close the left nostril. Breathe out with your right nostril. Breathe in with your right nostril. Relax your shoulder. Breathe in. Close your right nostril. Breathe out through your left nostril. And then breathe in with the same left nostril. Close the left nostril. Breathe out with your right nostril. Breathe in with your right. Breathe out with your left nostril. Breathe in with your left nostril. Close the left nostril. Breathe out with your right nostril. Breathe in with your right nostril. And now close your right nostril. Amazing, everyone. Now slowly come back to normal breathing, but still keeping your breathing slow, deep, and steady. Thank you for joining the class today. See you in the next class, and take care, everyone.